Welcome everybody. Let's make some Kung Pao chicken keto style. You're gonna need a half a cucumber. You're gonna need 2 hot chili peppers. You're gonna need 1 jalapeno, a couple stalks of celery, 1 small carrot, some cashews, and for now just dice everything up, whatever size you like. It doesn't really matter. I use unsalted organic cashews. Just lay about 10 or 20 of them out and give it a little smash with a knife and you're good to go. Set all these ingredients in a bowl and set aside for later. Okay, take your chicken breast, cut them once through the middle and then just dice them up. Now put a small dash of tamari sauce in the chicken and rub it in, and a little pinch of salt. In a hot skillet, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add a pinch of sea salt and then pour in the chicken. Constantly stir. You don't want to overcook it at this point. And then once it's done, put in a plate and set aside. Now in the same pan, add your vegetables, 2 tablespoons of tamari sauce, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, cook for 5 minutes, and then add the chicken and cook for another 5 minutes. This recipe serves 2 portions, about medium size. I would say add another chicken breast and double your vegetables for 3 or more people. I would give this recipe a 8.5 to 9 on the keto scale. Easy to make and very, very good. You might want to even spice it up a little more. Look for my other recipes on my channel. Have a great day.